Good morning, YouTube Nation. Let's get some coffee. Nectar from the gods, I swear. Alright, let's get puppy medicine. Here you go. Here you go, girl. Yeah. So, goofballs. Goofballs. So that's my old dog. She's probably like 13 years old, I think, by now. She's a lab mix. You know, labs suffer that hip dysplasia. So she's on a medicine that pretty much helps keep her moving, because without it she wouldn't be able to move at all. Actually, like 2 years ago I thought I was going to have to put her down. She couldn't get up at all, and I ran her to the vet and gave her some shots right there, and she got up walking fine right there and then she stays on this medicine. I also keep her on some of this hip stuff as an added bonus, just to help her out. Look at that face. Alright, you two. Then there's you. I am making another pot of coffee because I'm a little bit stressed. I thought I shot a video explaining this. I shot a video of me going to the post office and looking at my Trans Am, and I pulled the footage off this Hero 7, and I'm hoping it's recording now, and guess what, the memory card was totally empty. I just got this camera back from GoPro from warranty for it having issues before, and now it looks like they've come back. I apologize. You know, this is really stressful. It's one thing when you post a vlog once a week and you lose some footage. Maybe you can kind of recapture it. Maybe you do other things during the week to just kind of replace it. When you're doing it every day, this is going to be really hard to try to make this vlog interesting now that I lost the entirety of my day. So, the only thing I can say is, I talked about in the beginning was I felt kind of bad about my dog being outside. My camera's dropping again. Anyhow, that's why the fan's going, because it is kind of hot, but that corner house stays in the shade all day, and I put blankets on her. So I used to bring the dogs in at night during the winter time, and then in the summertime I bring them in during the daytime. That way they're never out in either extreme heat or cold. Always try to keep a balance for them and give them some time outside. With her hip problems, sometimes it's like she just strains to get up, or sometimes she just walks, she kind of like loses her bowels a little bit and kind of just goes to the bathroom. And that's something I really cannot have like that going on constantly in the house. You know, an accident here or there is expected. You have animals, but this is like daily. She makes a mess out there. I have to go out there and like hose it down all the time, so I can't really keep her in. It's just going to be too messy for the house. So that's why, you know, she's outside and I had the fan. I feel bad, but you know, she's doing pretty good. The vet still says, you know, she's got some life in her. So just as long as she gets up, she smiles, looks at me, and she walks around the yard, you know, we're gonna keep on going with her treatment and that. So other than that, right now me and the wife got a vacation that we're planning here in a couple of months. This time I will keep it a secret. I don't expect to run into anybody. It's not like a car event. This is just gonna be a vacation for me and her. It's a place that I really like. What we're looking at right now. So I'm online trying to find some good airfare prices and stuff. I got my research going on here, and hopefully We should have that. That's gonna be a great thing for the vlog. We also got Camaro Fest coming up, and I'm looking to just do some other stuff. So other than that, for right now, like I said, I'm sorry. This is gonna really suck. Losing the footage hurts, but I still do have to go pick up the Trans Am. So I'll have that footage of me picking it up and driving it, and then I know something I talked about too. I drove the Cruise, and I was talking about probably taking SS out tomorrow. Haven't driven that car forever, and we'll go have some fun in that car, and we'll see what kind of trouble we. Oh no, 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 no! I got doctor's appointment tomorrow. I have to go far away for doctor's appointment, so try to do something fun and interesting with that as much as we can. Wow, man! Oh God, look at it! I'm getting wet. Check this out, man! It's like somewhat clear that way, but look at this. Man, you think like a hurricane's coming or something. Whoo! Look at this Blue Lives Matter flag. That came undone. Wow. Holy smoke, glad I got the dog put up. The one I was talking about earlier, she's in the garage. See, I got the vented and I got a fan in there blowing the hot air out. So I'm not gonna let her sit out in the storms. Man, wow. Oh, well, I'm glad I put the Camaros up. The Grand National's back in the bubble, and hope the Trans Am's okay sitting out in the body shop. We'll be picking that up here shortly. Oh, here she is. Already looked at her earlier. She looks pretty good, so I said, I don't understand this freaking hero. Alright, so apologize about the technical difficulties there. I don't understand. I took a brand new battery out of the charger, put it in this camera, and it was just dead. I do like the SLR. It does provide better sound and to me some better image qualities, but the GoPro is just really easy for when you're traveling in a car and stuff like that. You know, you don't have that big mic on the top that can break and stuff. So again, the GoPro's easier. It does have its need, and then there's other YouTubers that's all they use. So but we won't get into that. Anyhow, Trans Am's back. As you can see, it's fixed. Looks pretty good. I didn't really show you what happened before, but all this here was all like bare metal for being struck. You guys remember before, you could see the crack. They kind of painted over it, hit it. You can still see a little bulge right there, but a lot of that is fixed, so it's looking better. Now I'm just going to clean up a little bit and get her posted for sale. I got to put some money in the bank. So that's the story with that. Anyhow, thank you again for supporting me on this daily vlog adventure, and just all the vlogs through the years. You know, it's taken me quite a while to get my routine and what I'm going to do with this thing down. So I do appreciate each and every one of you that do subscribe and watch the channel. Hopefully, maybe I'll meet some more people at Camaro Fest, and we're just going to grow this channel best that we can. So thanks for watching. Thank you for the continued support, and we will see you tomorrow.